still hinges, so just do the first hinge, do between, I know there's only one, there's two vectors on the pitch, but for the first one there's only one vector, 0 and 2. So let's get Bell and Aurak. So this made me think, so I don't know, you can't just measure the hinge angle without rotating it flat on the axis. It's okay for the first one, but you have to unrotate the others to measure on the hinge axis. Yeah. Anyway, so don't need that one. Okay, so there's only one on this one. And it's 2 take 0. Then Aurak is Bell.x plus the autocomplete stuff for me again. Nice act. Your hinge 0. Then PQ hinge. Oh, I need the hinge position as well. Bell. Bell. Pause. Okay then, it's temp 1, temp 2. Temp 1 equals orient, this is X and Z. Dot hinge 0. So X, Y, and Z here needing let's get rid of this pieces of shit comments. Let's do the first hinge, and this is position, this is velocity, and this is acceleration. Okay, so either that's actually Z. That's actually Y. And that's actually P key of hinge. 0 to X. Okay, so that's it. But if I want to do the roll, not so simple, but it's 2, 3. Should just 3 take 2, 3 take 2, 3, 2, 2. And then with this one, it is X and Y. But the thing is, I have to rotate that part in your hinge before I can measure the angle. I'll just leave it there.